This story starts with a simple lunch, but ends with a massive legal victory that shocked the entire world. Two Indian PhD students at the University of Colorado. They were just eating their lunch one day. A delicious plate of palak paneer, an Indian dish. A dish loved across India for its aroma, its spices. But what happened next? It turned into a fight for justice, dignity, and respect. Well, it all began in September 2023. Aditya Prakash was in the campus kitchen putting his lunch in the microwave. Almost immediately, a staff member approached him. She complained about the strong smell of the food and told him not to use the microwave. She described the aroma as pungent. Aditya stayed calm. He simply said, "It's just food, I'm heating and leaving." But that simple reply didn't just stop the trouble. The situation quickly escalated. Aditya and his partner, Urmi Bhattacharya, another PhD student, realized that this was not about lunch. They felt they were being singled out because of their culture, their nationality. They said the university's rules were being applied in a way that targeted Indians and South Asian food, making them feel unwelcomed. Aditya was repeatedly called to meetings with senior faculty. Urmi lost her teaching assistant job with no clear reason. They felt punished for simply being themselves. After that, they decided to fight back. The students filed a civil rights lawsuit in the US court. This wasn't about money alone. They wanted fairness, respect, and to send a message that cultural discrimination has no place in education. Well, the legal battle was intense and lasted almost 2 years. But in September 2025, the court brought a major breakthrough. The university agreed to settle the case. The settlement that was historic. The University of Colorado, they agreed to pay around $200,000, about 1.8 crore rupees. Well, they were also awarded their degrees, which had been withheld during that period of dispute, but the settlement came with a twist. Both students were barred from returning to the university. After the settlement, Aditya and Urmi chose to return to India completely, but the reaction that was immediate. Social media erupted with praise for the students' courage. Many saw it as a victory not as just for them but for the Indian culture and international students every single where. Some even joked that they'd celebrate with more palak paneer. Others pointed out that the case exposed cultural insensitivity on university campuses and sparked global conversation about how international students are treated. But you know what makes this story unforgettable isn't the food. It is the fight behind it. Two students turned a simple lunch into landmark battle against discrimination. They stood up not just for themselves but for everyone who has been judged for their culture, their tradition and their food. So, in the end, Palak Paneer did more than feed them. It helped them win justice. And that is the story worth sharing.